Hello my friend, welcome to Alarm Designer. Today I'm going to show you how to change a background color in few seconds, but all that after this short break. The first thing you do, you just open your picture you want to work on it, and after that, so you duplicate the background layer by just dragging it and here, or just by clicking the shortcuts keyboard Ctrl J, okay? The next thing to do is you go to now in the new layer here, go to select, and after that you can see here subject. Just click on it, okay? Wait a few seconds, depend on your PC, and after that you now let's duplicate this subject, okay? We will not duplicate all this, but just the subject. So you can do that by just clicking Ctrl and also G. You see now we have create the subject without a background, okay? Now we move this to this layer under the subject layer, and let's add a solid color here. Let's add for example this red color here, and now the last step you do, it changes from normal to linear burn, okay? Now you can see we have changed the color from white to red, and we play with just color. You can see now you can play with color. And like this we have changed the background in few seconds. That's all for today my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel if you are new. Goodbye my friend, see you next time.